Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Alpana's Green Paradise. I hope everyone is doing well. It has been quite some time that I have not posted any video as I was little bit busy with my family affairs. Yes, here I am today showing you one of my beautiful Adenium arabicum. In my previous videos, I have shown you my beautiful Adenium arabicum, which was on Yaglopuri as well as Taiwan strain. So friends, this Adenium arabicum, she is with me for last 3 years. When I got her 3 years back, she was a tiny one, and over the 3 years she has fattened a lot and she has grown up into a huge looking arabicum. She has widened transversely, or you can say horizontally. You can see the caudex is thickened transversely, the roots are thickened, and that just above the thickened roots there is the thickened caudex, and at the top of the caudex the branches have emerged. And at the top of the branches there are lots of blooms which are in bunches, and the blooms are some have already flowered and some are yet to bloom, and the blooms are light pink in color with 5 petals, and they are usually fragrance. Sometimes we can see 6 petals also. We can also experience some color variations also in the blooms of arabicums. So friends, this arabicum has given lots of branches which are emerging from the top of the caudex. Because of the typical pattern of branches as well as thickened caudex, the plant, it gives the look of a matured old plant, or you can say that the appearance is just like a bonsai. But she is not a bonsai. This arabicum is grown from a seed. She is not even branch grown. Lots of arabicums are available in the market, and they have their individual names, and those names are usually coined by the different hybridizers across the country. This arabicum had also a name, but sorry to say that I do not remember the name, and over the tape it was written, the name was written, but as the arabicum is under the open sky, so over the time the name has also been erased. So friends, I have kept my adeniums under the open sky so that they can get maximum full sunlight as well as heavy rain during monsoon. In my place, which is in Assam, we experience lots of rain. Lots of rain during monsoon season, and interestingly, the arabicums, they enjoy the rain waters. Immediately after monsoon season, they fatten very quickly, and during rainy seasons, we can see lots of foliages, green foliages, and the foliages are usually oval shaped. I usually prefer to keep the Adenium arabicums under open sky so that they can flourish naturally. Though there is the risk of root rot, caudic rot, as well as deep rots, and I have experienced all these problems in some of my arabicums. I usually keep one thing in mind, and that is the soil mixture should be very porous, and for that I usually add lots of river sand in the potting mix so that the soil mixture is gritty or porous. If you want to see the soil mixture, if you want to know the soil mixture of the Adenium arabicum, you can check out my previous videos of Arabicum, where I have mentioned about the soil mixture of the Arabicum. So friends, flowers are light pink in color, small in sizes. Even if there is no flower, the form of the plant looks very majestic when all the leaves fallen during winter, which is the resting period for adeniums. Then also the bare look of the plant looks enormously beautiful. Arabicums are known for their branching pattern, thickened caudex, and I admire their cute little pink flowers, and I just eagerly wait for their blooms to happen. So friends, the Arabicums, they just look like a dwarf tree loaded with lots of pink blooms, and they look beautiful. So friends, this is it for today. See you soon with another video, and I would like to request all my viewers to subscribe to my channel and give their valuable feedbacks in the comment section. So friends, until next time, take care and happy gardening.